Okay, so here we go. As you can see, the water's draining right here, but it's backing up in this whole section. So this is technically flooding right here. It's flooding, and it's releasing. I just dug a little bit of a trench. I think I would need to put something underneath the sidewalk because that's a little bit of a blockage right there. And there's so much rain, it looks like we're starting to back up over the gutter right there. And this hose is water that I'm pumping out. There's my new gutters, all the way there. So it's taking all the rain from that roof and everything, and it's pouring it right here. Let me take my shoes off because I can't walk through this with flip-flops. Okay. So we got some blockage up there. I put the sidewalk in and that's causing some problems. I just put a pump in right there to keep the water off the patio. But it's draining here, and it's got some blockage right there. It's got some blockage right there. No water's moving there, and you can see the flooding right there. And this is, I got all these brand new rain gutters, and the whole goal was to keep the water off this courtyard. Just doing kind of an okay job. But my back room is on grade, so it's flooding a little bit. There's my wet dog. And then the other blockage, oh my God, my dog is crazy. The other blockage is all the water's coming down right here, but you can see it's trapped here. It's all the water's trapped, so it's flooding inside this room right here. And you can see there's blockage over there. It's not going out to the front yard. And then there's a little bit of blockage right here for draining. But this isn't too bad. And this is some blockage where it can't get out to the alley. I think the alley is a little lower. But this is not the worst part because this is not causing a problem yet. Okay, so now let me go to the other side of that gate over there. There's some more rain gutter. That's taking the water off two roofs, the patio roof and it's taking the water off three roofs. So 3 roofs worth of water is coming right here. And that's a pump that I just set up, submersible pump. So coming back over here, showing you from a different way. So that's all flooding, it's got nowhere to go. This water here seems to be as bad as it's getting. Like it's not getting worse than this. But I don't know if the water is soaking inside that room because that room is lower. It used to be a carport. Okay. So this grass is still not flooding. It's still got a lot of soaking it could be doing. And then this is the other side of where it's flooding. And I'm going to put the phone over the I mean, it's a lot of rain, so we're starting to get quite the backup. So I do need like a culvert to go under here, but oh my gosh, my wet dog is crazy. There's my crazy wet dog. So I think the solution is easy. I need to turn this whole side of the house right here into a slope to come out here. But I don't know what method to do it, and then I need to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, that's about it. Thanks, Dan.